Module 3. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about letter writing. Letter writing is part of your section B writing skill. Letter writing carries 6 marks. When it comes to letter writing, there are 4 types of letters. They are business letters, formal letters, informal letters, and letters to editor. So these are the 4 main classification of letter. Now today we are going to discuss about the letters to the editor. Now in newspapers, below the editorial column, you will find number of letters to the editor. People react to what is happening around us in the society on various issues. They inform the editor or they write letters to the editor expressing their opinions. It does not mean that if they react on what is happening in the society, the editor of the newspaper is going to take any action. For example, in your locality, there is a stray dog menace, and then you write a letter to the editor of the Hindu, Chennai, regarding this problem. It does not mean that the editor of the Hindu newspaper is going to kill all the stray dogs or catch all the stray dogs in Chennai city. He cannot do that, and that is not his duty. Then you may think that what is the purpose of writing letters to the editor on this issue? It means that he will publish this letter in the newspaper, and people in the Chennai city, they will come to know about the issue, and the Chennai Municipal Corporation or the concerned authority, they will take action, they will act on it. So the letters to editor on various issues is to create an awareness among the people or to open the eyes of the authorities concerned on that particular issue. Therefore, people react on various issues, they write letters to editor, it gets published, people become aware of it. Now, the format of letters to editor. The first point to be borne in mind is that on the left-hand side bottom, left-hand side top, you have to write your clear address. Otherwise, the editor will not publish your letter. Left-hand side top is the from address. You need not write from, F-R-O-M. You write your address. Then below that, write the dates. From address, below that date. March 20. Once again I repeat, while writing the date, this is the format to be followed. First comes date, then month, then the year with an apostrophe. That is to say, do not write month in digits, it is to be written always in words. And the order is first date, then month, then year. Then comes to the to address. To the editor, the Hindu, Chennai. Then comes subject. Whatever is the issue you are going to write to the editor, that subject is to be written. Say for example, stray dog news. stray dog menacing feet up. Then comes the salutation. In salutation, you have to write dear sir or sir. While writing the salutation, the first letter of the first word here is dear. The first letter of the first word to be in capital letter. And the first letter of the last word, here the last word in salutation is sir. First letter of the last word is sir. Yes, that also to be in capital letter. Now suppose there are three words in salutation. My dear sir. Then M should be capital letter and S also to be capital letter. So that is the role in salutation. Then in all letters to editor, there is a formal opening line and a formal closing line. Here in letters to editor, the opening line is always like this. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to bring to the notice of the authorities concerned regarding, so whatever is the issue you want to project, you may write regarding stray dog menace, regarding the irregular supply of water in your locality, regarding the dumping yard in your locality, regarding the antisocial elements in your place, whatever may be the issue, you may write. So the formal opening line is, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to bring to the notice of the authorities concerned regarding then your English. You project the problem. In letters to editor, first you project the problem with crystal clear manner. There should not be left anything for ambiguity, or it should not be vague, it should be clear. The problem is to be projected in a clear language. Then, if you have something in your mind as a solution, you may suggest what is the suggestion in your mind. That also you may suggest. Then at the end, you have to write a formal closing line. That is, I hope the authorities concerned will look into the matter and do the needful. So this is the formal ending of a letter to the editor. I repeat the formal closing line. I hope the authorities concerned will look into the matter and do the needful. So that is the closing line. So in a letter to editor, in all letters to editor, there is a formal opening line and a formal closing line. Now, one very important point to be borne in mind regarding the subscription, the ending of the formal letter. The subscription of formal letter is always yours truly. The subscription is yours truly. While writing the subscription, you must have noticed Y is capital letter, T is small letter, and there is no apostrophe after R. Usually the children they put an apostrophe after R. It's an error. There is no apostrophe. This is yours truly without apostrophe, and there is no E after U. Sometimes children write T-R-U-E-L. That is an error. It is yours T-R-U-L. And then you put your signature. Instead of signature, you may write SB. It stands for sign. Then you write your name, Arvind Sharma, or whatever is the name. This is the subscription part. So this is the formal format of a letter to editor. I repeat the format once again. From address, leave on space, followed by date. While writing the date, I told you about 2 points to be known. The month is to be written in words and the year with an apostrophe. Leave again a space, then you write the editor, Hindu, Chennai, whatever newspaper you write. Then comes subjects, salutation, then the content text part of the letter. In text part, in all formal letters to editor, there is a formal opening line. Then present your problem. If you have a solution, you suggest a solution. Then at the end, there is a formal closing line. Then the subscription part. In subscription, it is yours truly. In all letters to editor, it is truly, not obediently, not sincerely, not lovingly. It is always truly. Y capital letter, T small letter. Signature, SD, stands for sign, followed by name. This is the model, or this is the format for letters to editor. Now please write down one question as your home assignment. Please write down one home assignment. You are Arun Kumar, a resident of Lodi Colony, Kanpur. You are highly disturbed by a high level of water pollution in your area. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily expressing your concern on the issue.